How to play Fortnite on an iPhone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite on your iPhone for free. And the coolest thing about this is we don't have to install any apps. All we need is the Safari browser. All right, so to get started, the first thing we want to do is simply open up the Safari browser on our iPhone. And then in the search bar, you just want to type Xbox, Cloud, Fortnite. The first results should be Play Fortnite and it should be Xbox Cloud. Go ahead and select that. Also check the description, I'll have a direct link down there. So from this screen, go ahead and select Get Ready to Play. Select that. And then once we do that, it says Add to your home screen. So what we need to do at the bottom of Safari, you'll see the little box with the arrow. That's the share button. Select the share button. Then simply scroll down and select Add to home screen. You can give it a different name and then select Add. And then as you can see, this icon is added to your home screen. Once you've done that, going forward, all you need to do to play Fortnite is simply select that icon that we added. It'll open up Xbox Cloud Gaming. Once it opens, select Play for Free. And then you will need to sign in. So select Sign In. Now this can be any Microsoft account. So if you already have an Xbox account, you can use that. If you don't already have an account, you can select Create One right here. But I already have one, so I'll sign in. Once you're logged in, it'll reload the screen where then you can simply select Play. And then as you can see, it'll launch Cloud Gaming. The first time you do this, it may take a couple minutes. And then as you can see, it starts to load Fortnite. So you can tap your screen to control everything just like you would any other mobile game. So it's going to load Fortnite right here. Real quick, if you want to quit Fortnite, all you need to do is select that little menu button in the top left, select the three dots, and then go over to Quit Game. All right, so now I'm playing Fortnite on my iPhone. All right, so that's how you play Fortnite on an iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.